channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix 100% packet loss on the Xbox Series and Xbox or Xbox One. So are you try or experiencing the 100% packet loss while gaming on your Xbox Series? So it can be incredibly frustrating when your gameplay is consistently disturbed by the connectivity issues. But in this video we will see how to fix this issue and find some relevant way to resolve this issue. So guys, let's start. So first thing you do is check the power cycle your console and the network equipments. So you can restart your devices and can resolve the temporary communication issues between your Xbox and console and the network devices. So for doing this step, you can turn off your Xbox console by pressing and holding the power button and unplug the power cable from the back of the Xbox and turn off your modem and router and wait for the 30 second to a minute and plug the everything back in and turn on your modem and router first, then following them time to boot up fully, then turn on your Xbox console and back and check your network connections will be work or not again. After that, you can check your QoS tagging setting. Quality of service setting can sometimes interface with your network performance. So adjusting this setting may reduce your packet loss. For doing this, you can navigate to the Xbox setting menu. You can select the journal and go to the journal settings and advanced settings. Then find the QoS tagging setting and turn off your VMM taggings. After adjusting this setting, test your network connections again. Okay, then we have this third one is, so guys, third one is reset your network hardware. Resetting your router and modem can fix the issues related to your IP conflict on the other network glitches that could be causing the packet loss. Unplugging the power cable from the bottom of your modem and the router and wait for the few minutes before plugging them in. Allow the devices or the couple of minutes to initialize and stabilize the connection and test your Xbox network connection once the packet is back up. After that, you can use the fourth one. So guys, fourth one is use as the wired connections. Wi-Fi connection can be less stable and less than the wired connections, leading to the higher packet loss. Using the Ethernet cable can provide and more stable and faster connections. Connection on Ethernet cable from your Xbox to the router, and make sure your cable is securely plugged in a both end. So you can go to the Xbox network setting and switch from the wireless to the wired and test the network connection to see if the packet loss is still persist or not. After that guys, we have the fifth one. So guys, fifth one is check the DNS setting. Sometimes the default DNS setting may be optimal for your network. Changing the DNS setting on your Xbox is more stable like as Google, and DNS can open your perform the network performance. So you can go to your network setting advanced and select the setting and choose the DNS and manually enter as a primary DNS. Okay, save setting. Then we have the another one. So guys, another one is clear your MAC address. Clearing the MAC address on your devices can resolve the network issues by forcing your console and request for the new router. Go to the Xbox setting and navigate to the network setting advanced setting and select the alternate MacBook address and choose clear and then restart your Xbox. After that, you can enable your VPN NP on your router. Turning on your VPN on router on can resolve the NAT is the issue which may be contributing the packet lost on your Xbox. For doing this, log in into your router setting through the web browser. Find your VPN setting and advanced setting and turn on your VPN and save the changes and restart your router on your console. After that, connect with the support team. So if you are having the problem, you can connect with the support team. They will provide a better solution resolution for your step. And you can also connect your ISP. ISP means your internet service provider. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.